Hey, how are you guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you another Clash Royale video. And in this video I'll be sharing a great matchup with my 2.8 Goblin Drill cycle. I recently posted a shot in which I showed a wide variety of decks which I defeated with this deck, especially the backup Dispam deck, the Goblin Drill and Golem deck, which are being played a lot on the top ladder right now. I am currently in top 100 in the Indian ladder, and this deck is really very strong. You can see the stats on the right side of the screen. You can see the attack is good, the defense is godly, versatility is godly, and you can see the synergy is mediocre, but the cycle is really fast and you will be able to play with it and manage the card cycles pretty nicely. The card cycle is 7 elixir, which is really fast. And guys, if you are new to the channel, guys, you check out the channel. If you like it, please do subscribe to the channel. We are really very close to 200 subs, and that let's get straight into the gameplay. So here we are matched up against Nirvana Rebirth of Clash only VE, and you will see that he is playing the most toxic deck according to me, guys. That's my opinion. I just hate this deck, the Goblin Giant Sparky Rage deck. And this deck is so strong and it can just overpower you in no time. If you just place your card here and there and waste some elixir, you will have to pay a very heavy price for that, and this will take your tower down in no time. So here you can see that he just focused on one side. He is very focused on pushing and did not defend the other lane. And the power of the Goblin Drill, you can see, is still very strong. You can see the tower is very low, and even after the nerf, the Goblin Drill is really very effective. And as I said earlier that they had to at least reduce the number of goblins which it spawns, and by increasing the time in which the first goblin spawns, more or less do the same thing. So overall the card is still very strong and you can still use it. So he is building upon the second push, and I'll just make up for my defense. I just need to defend that. The tower is really very low and I can take it down anytime. So you can see the strength of this deck, the deck that my opponent is playing. If at this point of time he puts down his rage, it is just insane, guys. It will take everything down in no time, especially if he plays P.E.K.K.A on that. It will just clear everything up. So good defense from my side, and now I'll just go for the tower takedown. I don't think Electro will be able to stop that, and the tower will be down. The tower is down in fact, and now we'll just play on defense. I don't want to overcommit on anything and just make random pushes and lose a game which I am winning. So just putting a Tesla down, building up the defense, because he'll definitely be going for a push. So here, as a spell cycle is really strong, I can just cycle another Tesla, and I think that will be good enough for me. Putting the Goblin Drill at the back, that will distract his Sparky for some time, and I'll be able to stop this push. So you can see double Tesla is doing a really great job. The Sparky did get a hit on the Tesla, but Dark Prince clears it up, and you can see after defending there is still scope of making a push. So the game is almost over, guys. We have no time to make another push, and with that we walk away with the win. And I'll show you the ranking as well after the match gets over. And this is my new favorite emote. So getting into the rankings, you can see that, let me get this up quickly. You can see where I am. I am at 97. Before recording I was at 92, so this much fluctuation happens there. A lot of people are pushing, and yeah, that's all for the video, guys. You can see the deck is super strong and it works in a lot of situations. As you can see, the versatility is really good, and I am just posting one gameplay at a time because of the storage issues. So I just can't make really long videos like 15-20 minutes, so I keep it short and one gameplay at a time. I'll be bringing more gameplays, and I hope you like the video, guys. If you do, support the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.